Hello, Red Nose Day was a few weeks ago now. On Friday the 15th of March, the day after Pie Day. Since before 15th of March 2013, with the help of several people, Mr Wayne has been encouraging pupils and staff at Mark Waterford School to guess the number of sweets in the jar. Superficially, there were two reasons for this. One, to raise money for Comic Relief. Two, to test the authenticity of an experiment conducted by Professor Marcus Di Sartori on a BBC TV programme called The Code. The experiment used the power of the maths to predict how many sweets would be within the jar without actually opening the jar and counting them. He used 160 guesses to do the trick. But back to Mark Waterford School. Because pupils and staff have been very busy, it has taken over 2 months to gather the requisite 160 guesses. However, this week the total was reached with an extra help from the English and Business Studies Department and from the superb Mrs Petit in reprographics. So 160 guesses, the same number of Professor Marcus Di Sartori got, were collected. What next? Well, begin with, we needed to find the means of all the guesses to achieve this. We needed to find a couple of suitable Year 11s to help add up all the guesses. Pretty dull work, but we found a friendly young man to help and an expert on confectionery.
Hi, my name's James and I'm helping to contribute to guess the mean of 160 different guesses.
Come on, Bradley, you know you can do much more difficult maths than this. All you need to do is add up all the data and divide by the number of different pieces of data, and that will get you the mean.
Cheer up, Bradley. Tell us what you are doing it all for.
People pay 10p for Comic Relief to guess how many sweets are in the jar and have the possibility of winning how many sweets there are.
There were 160 guesses, and I'm adding them up now to calculate a mean average to see if it's close to the real amount of sweets in the jar.
Anyway, building on James's work, Bradley finally finished.
We're about to calculate the mean. So we're going to divide the number by 160. Ooh. That makes no sense, there's not 6,000 in the jar. What the hell? This is ruined. So apparently there's 6,393 sweets. Oh, 0.7 of a sweet as well in this jar. So that's a lie.
Oh no, Bradley. That means it looks like Professor Marcus Di Sartori method does not work. What went wrong? Can you fix it?
Since Miss A. Valence guessed 1,000,005, the result kind of messed up. So if we exclude that and do the rest added together and divided by 159, we get 143.66875. So there should be either 143 or 144 sweets in this jar.
Well, good math skills there, Bradley. Oh well, let's find how many sweets actually are in our jar. To do that, we'd better ask 2 above average Joes to verify the numbers of sweets.
We're 2 Joes.
And we're here to verify.
The sweets.
The sweets.
That's right. The sweets. We're verifying the sweets. Oh, you get the. Yeah. Okay, cool. So, we'll do a bit first, right? We'll do this, okay? So, we're going to count the sweets up. We're going to do it in 20s because we feel it's, well, we were told to. Simple as. So can you verify that's 20? That is 20. Okay, then we can go again.
Yeah, 20 there.
We still use this.
About 20 there.
Another 20 there.
Go on, Joe. You can't.
Should be about 17 there. I'll just
Manny, what's that?
there's 17 there, so we're just going to add 3 more on. You know what? YOLO, I'm going to empty it all out here. Right here. There you go, see? Lovely. So, bearing in mind that there's 17 there, I haven't forgotten. We need 3 more, so that's 18, 19, 20.
Another one there.
What? Okay. So, we go again. 1.
Yeah, 20 there.
20 there. Yeah.
He said that first one said there's not going to be nothing.
Yeah, another 20 there.
Another 20 there.
20 there. Camera change.
Yeah, just double check 20 there. You're shaking a bit, mate. Nervous.
Yeah, we've got another 20
Are
there.
you nervous? Okay.
20 there.
Another 20. Right. Self camera.
We'll find out.
Okay, right, so.
He's gone.
Yeah, I've got the next ones. Another 20 there. Right, okay, lovely. I don't know if we're allowed to say the amount, but there is 191. 191? When we've counted. We're not allowed to say the amount now. We're not allowed to say. We are. So to verify,
Is it verified on Twitter?
There are 191
191 sweets
in the jar.
jar. 191 sweets.
Well, that's a fair few more than Bradley's estimate. Professor Marcos de Sato's method does not seem to have worked quite as amazingly well for us as it did for him and the BBC. The magic of the television aside, I wonder why that was. Any guesses? Have a look on the back of the video and see if you can spot any clues. Whoops, before you do that, I'd better tell you who is the winner. Jason Mallet from W6, well done. He seems, no, he guessed it exactly, 191. Now, time to look at the Professor Marcos de Sato's video again.